Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Yeah, guys, I've got another gist to you. What's up? Let me be your apropos person. Let me give you apropos. 2023 is fast approaching, and the election is in the corner. So, our old man is in the news. Guess who it is? It's no other person but our old man. Pasuma Wonder Bawa Situale Baba is in the news as he has gone to Osun State. Right now is in Osun State to see His Excellency, to pay a courtesy visit to His Excellency, yes, Governor, the Executive Governor of Osun State, Governor Gboyega, Oyetola. You understand now? Okay, now let's go. If you don't get it, then forget it.